Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys another watch, this time by a company you may have heard about. Can you guess what it is? Renato. And I am ecstatic to get my hands on one of these. This one's a T-Rex Generation 2. It is a limited edition timepiece. And if you've been following watches for a while, you might recognize the brand Renato. They used to always be on like the home shopping networks. And then something happened legally where they just kind of disappeared. I'd heard rumors, and just to clear that up, any rumors you guys might have heard, it's a fresh start. The company is now owned by XOS Watch Group, the same company who sent me the Watchstar line and the Exoskeleton line. They own 3 different brands, and they have acquired Renato. And I remember seeing Renato back in the day and being like, man, that's a beautiful watch. And you know, at the time I would never spend $300 or $400 on a watch, so it was always out of my price, my comfort zone. But now it's like, I'm so glad I got my hands on one of these. I've been wanting to check out Renato for years, and now that I'm into INVICTA watches and those big, bold, heavy dive watches, I love this brand even more. And what's cool about it is I don't consider this a dive watch. It's more of a dress watch. But when you go looking at dress watches, it's very difficult to find dress watches that are big. They're mainly small, you know, and that's ultimately why they're dress watches. But what I like about this is that it's very simple, it's clean. All you have is a day of the month and time. You don't have a chronograph, nothing else cluttering up the dial. And you can see the dial is this awesome, what I would consider like almost like a sunburst pattern. Very, very clean. It's got a nice shimmer to it. And of course you have your, rose tone indices, rose tone hands and markers. A little bit of lume on those indices, a little bit on the actual markers, or I'm sorry, not on the indices, actually on the hands itself. It's very clean. I don't like a lot of times when they put a lot of glow on watches. I'd prefer not to have any because ultimately I'll turn on a lamp if I need to see the watch. I'm not really looking for a watch to be a tool watch. I do understand why they put lume on watches, but for me, I'd rather just see more shine. That's just my personal taste. You have your Renato Generation 2 T-Rex engraved logo right in the side here. Very, very clean, very small, not over the top. Full mirror polished case with the exception of the top of the lugs and the top of the case. It almost has like a case and cradle design without, I'd consider, the top portion. And I think it might be because it does look like there's a gap between the actual case and the actual, I guess, bezel of the watch. The band is really cool in this. You have mirror polishing down the center and this really interesting looking shaped band. Almost like, not sure what you would call it, but you can kind of see the shape. It's not completely flat. And you have your dual push button deployment clasp. Very, very nice. Very great finishing on this watch. I mean, they really, really did a great job with the quality of materials here. This watch is definitely on par with any INVICTA or Aragon watch. And in some respect, some regard, I don't want to say it feels better because I'm not going to say that because they both feel good to me. But this watch, you can just feel it's very heavy. It's very bulky. And I absolutely love it. 294 grams this thing weighs. That's a pretty heavy watch. What else about the watch? Exhibition case back there, so you can see that ETA is the ETA 2824 automatic movement with 25 jewels. 9 inches in band length, 28 millimeters in band width, and of course a 50 millimeter case. So you guys who love the big watches, this one's no exception. You can definitely get that 5.0 on your wrist, and 16 millimeters in case thickness. So you have a nice, big, tall wrist presence. And that's about it. I forgot to mention this. No friction pins on the bands. You actually have screw down pins on the band. So I always like when they do that. Aragon does that a lot. INVICTA tends not to. It's just a better, I think a nicer way to put the band together and size it. Although ultimately they all do the same thing. They hold the band together. But I do think it's a sign of a little bit more sophistication, a little bit higher quality, The crystal on this is a sapphire coated mineral. The crown is screw down and the materials are stainless steel. I believe that's 316. 300 meters of water resistance or 30 ATM. And what else? That's really about it on specifics. It says your manufacturer's warranty of 2 years. So without further ado, let's go ahead and throw it on the wrist. Now it is not sized because this is not one I'm going to keep. Unfortunately, I really love this watch, but you'll get an idea what it looks like on a guy my size, my height, and my weight. I have a 7-inch wrist. I weigh about 179 pounds, and I'm about 5'7.5". So this is what it looks like on a guy my size, my height, and my weight. Just a great looking watch, guys. I showed my dad this. This was his favorite in all the watches that the XOS Watch Group sent me. And I understand why. It's a real good looking watch. It's big, it's heavy, you can just feel the qualities there, and I really would like to get one in the not too distant future. So if you guys do want to make a purchase for this watch, I can do it directly through PayPal if you want to pay me directly and have it shipped directly to your house from the manufacturer. Or if you want to go ahead and read more about the watch and purchase it through eBay, that's okay too. You can click the link in the description where it'll take you to the manufacturer's website. The actual manufacturer's website on eBay, if you've been checking out my new recent videos on Exoskeleton, Watchstar, and Renato, is actually bid for INVICTA. So they actually sell INVICTAs as well, but that is the actual owner's website of the company, or eBay store of the company, so rest assured you're getting it directly from the manufacturer on this. Pretty awesome looking, guys. All right, folks, well, let me know what you guys think about this watch. I absolutely love it. It's definitely one I'm going to have to get in my collection. Stay tuned for more of these. Next time I'm going to request, I believe they had a gold and pink-faced watch. Very, very difficult to find a pink-faced watch. I think it's a really great color combination. Stay tuned for a lot more watches on the channel. Guys, tell me what you think about Renato. Tell me if you had any kind of experience with Renato. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, subscribe. Do click the bell if you do subscribe so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Stay tuned for my second channel I'll be working on here. I'm going to start to upload content. I'm going to go back to a lot of the older INVICTAs that I haven't reviewed for a while. That channel is going to be specific to watches. So make sure you go over there, subscribe. This way you're notified when I do put up content on that channel. And you know, it's going to be great because a lot of you guys really watch Phat Kat Collections based on strictly the watches. But Phat Kat Collections is a collection of everything that I'm into. Smart home tech, audio equipment, whatever it is, I share it with you guys and give you guys my 2 cents, have a lot of discussions, but we're going to make 21 Jewels a watch-specific channel. So stay tuned for that. Go over there, subscribe to the channel so that you're going to be ready to go once I upload content. Do click the bell as well. And if you want to make a purchase of this watch, there is a link in the description. Again, you're looking at, right now, I'm going to get you guys in a little secret. Right now, there's a bid for this. And it's down, like they just started the bid. 10 people have bidded on it. Still got 8 days to go, but you might want to put it in your watch list. It's starting at 160 right now, or 162. So I can tell you right now that if you want to make a purchase of this, you got to be looking at closer to the $400 price range. But I didn't get the price point on this quite yet. So by the time this video is live, you'll see it in the description. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for all the love. 11,600 subscribers. The channel keeps growing. I'll keep making videos, guys. So as always, have a great evening and take care.